Well, go Jimmer Tasha, agus Falsha, go Kyak, Trasa Kyahar. Hey. Right, we're going to start with a little bit of revision. We're going to bring a few different things together, and we're going to start off with, if you can remember how to say, did you get a good sleep? Did you get a good sleep? Yeah, that's it. Mhúrn to callú mai. Mhúrn to callú mai. And if you want to say, I did, what's that? Fuair. And I didn't. What would that be? Ní bhuair. Ní bhuair. I didn't get. Okay, so ask again, did you get a good sleep? Mhúrn to callú mai. I didn't. Ní bhuair. Because I was sick. Can you remember how to say sick? It was ages ago. Yeah. Mar bhí mé chin. Just say it again. Because I was sick. Mar bhí mé chin. And I booked up. Yeah. Because chur mé níos. Chur mé níos. Here's a new word. If you want to say my wife, you begin with the word for woman, right? Which is ban. Just say it, ban. And now we know from the past what happens if you put mu in front of a word. For example, pinta becomes muffinta, so there's a bit of a sound change. I wonder if you can guess what my... Okay, ban is woman, but when you say it means wife as well in this context. So how would you say my my woman, oh dear, or my wife? Yeah, my van. Say again, I was sick. Bhí mé chin, and I threw up on my wife. Agus chur mé níos ar my van. How do you say happy? Sasta. So, and she was not happy. So we're going to start off with, she was happy. Bhí she sasta. And then when you turn V into negative, it's a bit irregular. Can you remember? Yeah. Ní ró. So, just say, she was not happy. Ní ró she sasta. Say, my wife was not happy. Ní ró my van sasta. Now, do you remember how to say on her from a few lessons ago? We said there would be a hangover on her, and that's, he. Well done. She'll have a hangover is be poch he. Go my. So we're going to use he on her to say, I threw up on her. Chur mé níos he. Okay. So say again, my wife was not happy. Ní ró my van chéile sasta. Because I threw up on her. Mar chur mé níos he. She didn't get a good sleep. Ní bhuair she callú mai. And now we're going to say, and I didn't get a good sleep, but we're going to put emphasis on that I. So we're not going to say may, we're going to say Mhacha. So, and I didn't get a good sleep. Agus ní bhuair Mhacha callú mai. Very good. And now I ask, did you get a good sleep? Again, we're not going to use to, we're going to use the emphatic form tusa. Did you get a good sleep? Agus mór tusa callú mai. Say, I did. Fuair. Because I drank 20 pints of Guinness. Mar dul mé fiche pinta Guinness. Now here's another great word. Fosta, and it means also. So we can say, I also drank a pint of water. Go on. Dul mé pinta isca fásta. Dul mé pinta isca fásta. So, say I went to Dublin, hui mé go baile clia, and I was in the pub, agus bhí mé sa pub, and I drank 20 pints of Guinness, agus dul mé 5 pinta Guinness, and a pint of whiskey as well. Agus pinta isca ba fásta. And I got a good sleep. Agus fuair mé colú mai. Good. Did you get a good sleep? And were tusa colú mai? I did not. Ní mhúr. Because I was sick. Mar bhí mé chin. And I threw up on my wife. Agus chur mé níos my van, and she was not very happy. I've added a wee very in there. Take care. How'd you say it? Agus ní ró sí róhasta. Well done. Do you remember how to say, I have to go to the doctor? Yeah. Caithfidh mé gul go dtí an doctor. Say, I will go to the doctor tomorrow. Raithfidh mé go dtí an doctor amárach. Now, wait now. Our wife's not happy, so we'll have to go to the doctor today. But we don't know the word for today. I'll tell you. Inniu. Inniu. Just repeat it. Inniu. Very good. So now say, I have to go to the doctor today. Caithfidh mé gul go dtí an doctor inniu. Because my wife's not happy. Mar níl me van chéile sásta. Because I threw up on her. Mar chur mé níos hí. Say, do you remember how to say my son? Yeah, my whack. Say, I threw up on my son as well. Yeah, use faster. That's it. Chur mé níos my whack faster. And on my daughter as well. Agus my níon faster. Do you remember how to say terribly? Yeah, milchana. Milchana. So say, I was terribly sick. Bhí mé milchana chin. And I have to go to the doctors today. Agus caithfidh mé gul go dtí an doctor inniu. Okay, we're going to take a wee break and go in a different direction for just a moment. We're going to think about another verb in the future tense. Quick recap of what we've got. We've got I will be is bay me. Bay is used for other things as well. Bay pinta agat. You'll have a pint, but we're happy with bay, right? And we've done raithfidh mé for I will go, and we did yoí mé. How do you say I will get a pint? Yoí mé pinta. How do you say I will get a pint for you? Yoí mé pinta ditch. Or I will get you a cup of tea. Yoí mé cup and tea ditch. Go my. So we're going to think of how to make the future tense of the verb all being drink, right? So you just put the E sound on the end, you get ollie. Ollie may, I will drink. Okay? Ollie may, I will drink. So how do you say, I will drink water? Ollie may, ishka. Hey, do you remember how to say milk? Yeah, buanya. So say, I will drink milk. Ollie may buanya and water as well. Agus ishka fásta. Say, I will drink beer and whiskey as well. Ollie may Oh wait, we haven't done beer. We only learnt the brand name Guinness. That won't do. Okay, bjór. Bjór. That's not too hard. Is the word for beer. So, I will drink beer and whiskey as well. All mé bjór agus uisce ba fásta. Oh my. So just quickly, one more new phrase for today. Dús means first. It's actually two words, and then dús, at the beginning, or firstly. Okay? So, I will first drink Guinness. Yeah, all mé Guinness dús. We tend to put the dús afterwards. And then I will drink whiskey. Agus and sin, all mé uisce ba. Did you remember agus and sin? Well done if you did. Agus and sin, and then. So, all mé, I will drink beer at first. All mé bjór dús. And then I will drink water. Agus and sin, all mé uisce. Now, we're going to say, I have to go to the doctor. Caithfidh mé go dtí an doctor. And I will go to the doctor today. Agus raithfidh mé go dtí an doctor inniu. But I would like to go to the pub first. Ach bhfuailliom go dtí an pub dús. I will drink Guinness and I will drink whiskey as well. All mé Guinness agus all mé uisce ba fásta. And then I will drink a glass of water. Agus an sin, all mé glynne uisce. And then I will go to the doctor. Agus an sin, raithfidh mé go dtí an doctor. And my wife will be happy. Think about that. She will be. Yeah. Agus bé ma bhain sásta. Bé ma bhain sásta. Okay. That'll do for now. My shiv. Slán.